flag. This is flag too.
1 year anniversary.
Oh yeah, that's us.
Website.
How's that?
No. Talk things off.
Oh yeah. Now is the 1 year anniversary of the TV show, not us getting married.
Right.
I just want to make sure that we didn't do that.
All right. You ready to do this?
I'm doing it.
All right.
Always.
Hey, Justin and Leon here, FNK Classic Cars.
Word.
Word.
Oh.
How you doing?
I don't know. I'm alive.
How are you all doing?
Oh, well. Sorry, I forgot it was your turn to answer. But yeah, it's actually 1,000 degrees in the shade here. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's 100 degrees.
So
the sun's burning us, and here we are.
If you're on the East Coast, you're probably sweating your balls off also.
Yeah, I think everybody is. It seems like it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think your spell check was off.
It was. Spell check was way off. My spell check, yeah.
So, normally I don't bring the speech to the.
Oh, good.
the
Yeah,
thing,
you
but
got notes.
I had some notes. This is actually the 1 year anniversary of the beginning of our channel.
Yes, and our very first set of videos were very dumb. You're gonna like them.
Yeah, they were corny at best, but
Well, it was supposed to be a joke, so we weren't seriously.
yeah, don't watch these and think this is what we actually do.
This is our career.
Yeah, it's we don't want you to get the wrong impression.
Paper mache bumpers.
We were just pretending to be basically the Laurel and Hardy of classic car
Yes.
repair or
Yes.
something. So,
You can guess which one's which.
these were the first 3 videos, a couple minutes long each. They're the very first things we ever put up.
Yeah.
And so I just wanted to kind of laugh at ourselves and
And put it back out there.
yeah, as our 1 year celebration. Some other things in the past year is now we have a website.
We have a website.
At www.fnkclassiccars.com. So please check that out. You'll see our
Make sure you get the dots in the right spots.
yeah, you'll see our handsome faces there.
We will.
Well, you'll see us.
Hopefully your computer doesn't break.
Right. And we're well over 600 subscribers.
Oh
which
yeah, well.
for the first year is not terrible. It's not bad.
Yeah, I mean, for 2 morons talking about whatever
Yeah.
we talk about.
I mean, what more could you ask for?
Well, less.
Yeah.
Less would be fine.
So please subscribe and click that
Yeah, don't forget to do
notification
that.
bell. What else should they do? Oh, share and like the videos.
Share and like them.
So I guess that's it for
What?
the moment. We'll come back at the end of the videos, but check it out. Just a few minutes.
It's going to be horrific. Not terrific.
Yeah.
Horrific.
Have a good laugh at our expense, and
Yes.
we'll come back and see what you thought.
Yeah, you'll hate it. Watch it anyway.
All right, here we go. Today, we're making a bumper out of tape. So we have this high quality 100 mile per hour duct tape and chrome tape, so it matches the bumper. We're going to make this lovely 1995 Dodge Ram look like a whole truck again. So here we go. As you can see, we've already begun our base
Wow.
construction.
Keep in mind, he is a professional. Don't try this
Don't, please, whatever you do. You could actually cut yourself on this.
Yes,
building.
he's done this many times. Professional duct tape artist. I would say, right?
You
Duct
gotta make
tape
sure it's
mechanic?
lined up just right. Very important. To
Yes.
see how sturdy the
Yes.
bumper is. You don't want to take away any of its structural integrity.
Yes, very much so. It's a nice truck.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
You're going to love it. It's going to be a minute when he gets done with it.
I can see I have to edit that already. Thanks.
Fucking what? I still don't know what you said.
Oh, mint.
Oh, mint. Mint.
Mint.
Your T was like cut off. It was like me. You start laughing.
I mean, it's going to be nice when he's done with it.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to be the only one, well, not the only one in the country. We did see one all the way back from Ohio that was done like this.
Yeah. Hey,
So we are kind of copying.
that's where the idea came from. Is
Sorry, I hope he doesn't have a copyright on it.
right.
We get in trouble.
The duct tape bumper. So it does look like a bumper,
Oh, yeah.
almost.
It's very nice.
Isn't it? Leon, can you hold that up for me?
Oh, now I have to hold stuff. All right, I'm probably in the camera now.
Hold that up. Oh, looks lovely under there, too.
Hope you got your wide angle lens, those bigger guys.
Come on.
Why do you take my finger? All right.
Ooh, careful.
This is nice. Classic.
Okay, look. Now,
Oh, beautiful. Now, once you put the chrome tape on,
it has some chrome tape on there.
it looks like it does have a small dent in the bumper, but it's okay.
Well, here, look.
There, there you go. Beautiful.
See
You
that?
got to do the other side, too.
You need some cardboard or something.
Oh, this is wonderful. This is perfect. See that? It's a whole bumper
It's,
here.
you know, mint.
So when we come back, we'll be working on the other side, and you'll see this side will be complete.
Yeah.
So, part 2 coming.
Part 2 comes, yes. As you can see here, we're building a rear bumper out of layers of tape.
We have duct tape.
And like I said before, please do not try this at home. It's dangerous. He's getting ready to do the chrome coating now.
That's right. We have the structural
Yes,
support.
this is it's going to be triple chrome, but only really one layer. But it's very nice.
It's got a gray base.
Yes, that's it. The chrome shows up better, and he will iron it when he's done to get all the wrinkles out.
Yeah.
But it's going to be. It adds a lot of value to the truck. Some people would see it as, not a proper repair, but I think it's fine.
I think this will pass the state inspection.
Well, depends on what state you live in. Kentucky, probably. Maybe West Virginia, Arkansas, those kind of states. But, yeah, as long as you don't live anywhere where people are.
That's right.
But it is going to be very nice when it's done. Like I say, if you watch him closely, he's doing a really nice, generous coat of chrome plating.
Really adds to the structural integrity. That way.
And it's beautiful. It's long lasting. I mean, it's basically a new bumper.
Yeah.
Not exactly.
Man, what do you think would happen if this truck got rear-ended?
Oh, I would think the car behind it would be awfully sticky.
Whoops.
Well, your thing's not long enough. First time you heard that, right?
Well, maybe not the first time.
But,
we have
yeah.
this less wide. Tape.
Oh, there you go.
I think
Less wide will work.
That'll be just fine, right, honey? Is it less wide okay?
And less will buy this truck anyway. But yeah, it's going to be nice when he's done. Don't forget to leave the tag exposed so you can see the license
Yeah,
plate.
they don't want to see
You want
that.
to chrome over that. But it's a classic truck. It's a 1995 Dodge Ram. It does have a V8.
A V8.
It's very nice. 4x4. So all 4 tires go around a circle. That's pretty good. And
I think that's good.
no, yeah. I mean, somebody's gonna love it.
What
think,
more can you ask for, really?
Well, maybe a truck with a back bumper, but other than that, there's really nothing else you could ask for. It does run and drive beautifully. So if anybody's interested in a Dodge truck, just call the number at the bottom of your screen.
Yeah,
And,
there's a flash up there.
It's on special this week, I believe, right?
Yeah, I think it's going up.
$29.95.
Uh-huh.
$29.95.
Is this bumper repair the Earl Shives
No.
bumper repair?
No, unfortunately, I don't want to mess up a copyright, but I believe this is a red-green. You can see Justin's almost finished. He's doing a little reinforcement on this side just to stiffen it up. This side's pretty good. It's practically ready for the salvage yard, you'd say?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's practically ready for that. And, if you are interested, remember to call the number flashing at the bottom of your screen. Because this is a classic. They don't make them like this anymore, and there's a reason for it. So I think he's about done. He's reinforcing now. He's going to, it'll be ready for, like say, salvage yard.
Get a close-up of this.
Oh, yeah.
Thing here, huh?
Go ahead. You get the finished product. It's beautiful. It's very nice. They don't make them, like I say, like this anymore. There is a reason for it. So thanks for tuning in.
Yeah.
Stop by anytime. We're always here.
We're back.
We are?
No, not yet, but we're about to be.
All right.
Okay.
Say
Now
something.
we're back.
Say something.
I'm saying something. You say something. It's your turn.
We're back. We moved down under a shade tree. We're on the South 40 on my sprawling estate.
Yeah. That's right.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
we had to bring the golf cart down.
Yes, we did, the golf cart. And don't forget to leave a condiment, like ketchup, mustard, whatever,
Yeah.
at the bottom.
There was one gentleman that left us some spicy cayenne lemon lime one on one last video. Thank you.
Thank you. And don't forget, what was I supposed to say? I forgot.
I forgot already.
Well, he'll know.
That's terrible.
He knows stuff.
And thanks for, all 600 and some of you that are watching. And we get some regular folks that leave us comments and kind of interact with us. And we actually appreciate that.
Thank you for shopping.
Yeah, thank you for shopping.
I'm out of smileys. I'm sorry. I'd give you one.
That's okay. That's the other thing. We have merchandise now.
Oh, we do.
See
But
these
not
things?
this one. That one.
Yeah, shirts.
Well, then we got the hair covers.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have any hair, so
Decals and
it's just a bald head cover.
Yeah,
Anyway, it keeps your head from getting sunburned.
That's
so
right.
if you're interested, call us.
Yeah,
And-
we have a
Call us,
limited
yeah.
supply of things, but we do have some left, keychains, decals, and
Yeah.
just some cool knickknacks. And as that stuff sells, we'll do some more.
Yeah, of course. Why wouldn't we?
But hope you like the videos. Like, again, a little cornball, but
Yeah,
we were
this one
having a
was
good time, and that was a
This
hot
is a
day
little
then,
silly.
too.
Yeah, it was hotter than, warm. Yeah. And have a nice day, and don't forget to tell Justin to go fuck himself.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Oh, sorry, my spell check is off. Tell him to have a nice day. That's what I meant to say.
All right, thanks for watching. We'll be back next week.
Yes, we'll be here.
We'll be going over, I don't know, something.
Yeah, we'll probably be
It'll be a
jumping off the
surprise.
bridge. You'll see the splat at
Us,
the bottom. It's going to be great.
All right, peace out.
Peace out.
See ya.
Word. To your mother and law.